I have an air horn in my...
That would make life so much easier.
It's like a rechargeable one. You use a bicycle pump.
Oh, really?
Nice.
Yeah, that might have to come in next round.
I always carry my trusty air raid siren.
It's always
my
my
rape
bucket
whistle.
my rape air raid siren.
Yeah. Is that not common?
Maybe if we were in the UK.
Yeah, right.
Anyone over the age of 80 would be start freaking out.
So what he said?
You did 10 minutes?
He just yelled that.
Where is it? We go from here.
You could essentially go straight, and they'll probably meet us there. The tree lines, if you go over there.
Did you say 10 minutes?
They're starting up.
Did you say 10 minutes start time?